Exactly what I need right here. So I got two. Yeah. Outside of Pep Boys. 2 pools for 40 bucks. You might be wondering what's in the box. Oh. So, in this box comes something very, very large, black, rubbery. What do you think it is, John? It's large, black, and rubbery.
Daddy!
Dildo.
You guessed it.
Hell yeah.
That's a huge bitch!
Ah!
Keep it in the circus, pal.
I got my bags in, or my air suspension, or whatever you want to call it, air struts. They're in and ready to be installed today. I don't know if I'll get it. Like, I don't know if they'll be on and running, but I know they'll be installed for sure. Oh, what's going on?
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah. Oh. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be installing these bad boys on the car today in this hot weather that we got going on here in San Diego, California. Oh, got it there, Belle?
Yeah.
So we'll be installing these bad boys today, and hopefully I'll be running the lines and everything in the car. I don't know if I'll get it on the ground. Maybe I'll get it on the ground and like go drive it, wash it, and then come back. Who knows? I don't know, because I've never installed these before. John, have you?
Yep.
Okay, so we might be able to do this, right?
I work at AutoPath, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, good. So yeah, because I'm probably need help. So let's see how it goes. It's not 100% sure. Kind of scared. Just made a hole in here, and I put this right through here, and then I'm gonna have cut some holes through here that goes directly out to the outside. Right directly, like right under here is the freaking. There'll be the strut. Other side, I'm having I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Let me see. But we'll see. For like the fronts.
Marshall, you're right. Ah! What was that?
It popped in the time.
Ah!
Don't you dare, John. Don't you dare. Don't throw a whole bunch of rocks to your dad.
No.
Ah, I'm trying to catch it. Ah, dang it.
Ah, God.
I caught one. I should have caught the other.
It's actually gonna feel good.
Here, throw it to me. See if I can catch it. Hot potato. Here, don't throw hard.
Oh, jeez. Got every strut in, front, rear. The rear are a pain in the ass just because I bolted this in there. So, well, this one mainly was a pain in the ass because I had to get my hand in there. It's kind of hard, but I got everything. So now I'm gonna run the lines, and then afterwards I'm gonna see how to set it up, because it is almost like a coilover. Because I have to set that up. It has the preload and all that stuff. It has the 32 weight dampening or whatnot. Might be 15 or 16 or the other one. So I still got to figure out how to do all that, but after that shouldn't be too easy. And then there's this thing. I need to figure out where that's gonna go. So it's a lot, but we'll get it done. Now I'm just gonna drill a hole right through there, bam, bam, and then run the lines out through here and into there. So kind of need to figure out where I'm gonna do it or how I'm gonna do it, but this line runs through. Perfect. On the other side. So I got the lines in. Whoop whoop. Yep. Just tying that up. There you go. Line running through there. And then they meet up right here, this little T-bracket. I'm gonna have this T-bracket go in more. And I'm gonna give this one some more slack. Should be able to. T-bracket hit, like, post it up more in there. Then that runs through there, the little hole, so kind of stays almost hidden. Nothing's bending, so everything should be running smoothly. Here's the other one. I'm tying it up, make sure. Oh shit, hold on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hopefully it's not a problem. I did notice some went more than the others, which I kind of don't like. But at the same time, didn't want to mess anything up. This one definitely, but I don't know. We'll see. You had to put this song on.
Hey, West Side.
All right. Alright. Okay, he could probably. Yeah, no, so okay, so I'm gonna give like a quick overall of what I'm doing, because I've never seen online like people how they properly show the install of the bags. Like they have videos but never properly for S2000 specifically. So basically the rear ones I just did a T through right here and then through the end. It's pretty easy. But for the fronts, there's a hole. I'm running it through the back, so there's a hole right here. I remove the seat, and there's a hole right here. Run it through there, it'll connect, and then from there, probably run it.
You could probably do it behind that piano right there.
That's what I was. This one, huh?
Yeah, and then through the side of the car.
That's what I was thinking. Run it through the side. So it's through there, through here, and through the side. And then there is a way to get into the firewall for this left side, which is through over here. Right, kind of right below the brake. Oh, no, it's this one. The brake floor, or is it? I don't know. It's one of these two. I don't know which one it is, but it's. I think it might be the master, the brake. Oh no, the master. Yeah, right, the master. Because it's the
master cylinder. It's a slave cylinder. It's a slave one over there. Oh, anyways.
Okay, well, either way, there's like a little like. Where the wiring harness goes through. I'm gonna put it through there, and then through this hole over here where this brake line is at, and then from that hole into here. Boom, through there, through the harness, and then out to the side. Hopefully it's able to curve with no pinching. So I ran it through. Like I said, I ran it through right here. Like you can't even see it through this panel right here. Through this panel, easy to take off. One screw pops off, and then ran it through here. Unclip, take this up, like pull it up, and it should be in there. Like here it is right here. Running through there, and then just make sure it runs through here. And then right, like you can barely see it, but right there, you see that little light? Goes right through there, and through there, out over here, runs through here. Into this hole with the brake line, through the brake line, into here. Simple. So now let's do the right side. And I got this other one. I put it back together, but it's the same concept almost. Right here, there'll be a hole. Take this off, there'll be a hole. Put it through the hole, run it through to this side, to the end over here, attach it to my T-bar that I have. Same thing, run it along the side, right through here. Now for this one, I had to take this panel off, and in that panel, there's like a big, you'll see like a sponge. If yours doesn't have it, it's probably gone, but it's a sponge. Remove that sponge, and there's like a big like hole right there. Through that hole, I drilled into it and ran the line through there. And out through here, there's the line right there. See, I ran it, or where's it? There's right here. And I ran it through over there. You see that right there? See that right over there? That one right there. So I ran it through there, through here, and then up into there. And then I just got tying this down. But other than that, I think that's installed. I just need to run the pressure gauge, those two, and then this thing right here, which again, I don't know exactly what sure. I'm gonna hit up a friend right now and see what he can help me do with that. So it might be for this, but we'll see.